Good morning, dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 10, being safe. Okay, before starting this chapter, let me ask you two questions. Okay, so have you ever had a bad fall or a cut? Did it hurt? First question, okay. And second question is, would you like falling down or getting cuts all the time? No, isn't it? So to avoid this feeling, okay, we should always be careful and safe. Safety means to protect ourselves from danger or harm. To be safe and avoid accident, we need to follow certain rules. Okay, listen carefully, okay? Stay away from dangerous places or things that can hurt you. First, second is play it safe indoors. Indoors means inside house, indoor games. No? So what are indoor games? For example, Ludo, chess, isn't it? So play it safe indoors. While playing indoors game, do not play with a ball inside the house. Do not move around while eating. Okay? And third one is play it safe outdoors. Watch when you run. Be aware of your surroundings. Climb safely. Stay away from pools when there is no adult in sight. Number 4. Tell an adult when you come across things that can hurt you, like matchsticks, knives, or sharp thing. Okay? And number 5, fifth point is know whom to call for help in an emergency. Okay, so second topic is safety at home. Any place is unsafe if our actions are unsafe. We should keep away from sharp things like scissors and knives as they may hurt us. Touching electrical switches and plugs can harm us, so we should keep away from open sockets or wires around the house. When we are home and if someone rings the doorbell, we should neither open the door to the stranger nor even talk to them. Do not fly kites on the terrace or sit on the edge as you may fall. Okay? While medicine helps our body to fight sickness, we should not take them by ourselves as they can harm our bodies. Fire is very dangerous, so we should remember to keep away from matchsticks and candles and also stand at a safe distance away from the stove or iron. Okay? And the third topic is safety outside. So, how will you save yourself outside? Here are some points, okay? While on the road, it is important to stay safe. You should never go out alone on the road. The cars and vehicles move on the road, so we should stay on the footpath. While playing games, we should never run out into the road to pick up a ball or a toy as it may cause accident. Cross only at the zebra crossing. You know what is zebra crossing, isn't it? Before crossing, always wait for the green light and look at both sides of the road to see that there are no vehicles on either side. While traveling by car, always remember to wear your seat belt. Never put your hands or head out of the window. Okay, if you have to take the bus to go somewhere, always stand in a queue.